Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a dynamic video campaign through Pipedrive. Okay, so I have my dynamic campaign already created, already processed. As you can see, I do have my videos. So if you do not know how to do this, no worries. I'll link another video below so you can see how you can process your campaign, how you can start your campaign for the first time. Okay. That being said, you know that if you click here on each of the emails there, you'll get the preview how the video will look like. And yep, so all that you need to do is go to here to share campaign and look for Pipedrive. Okay, so we can copy the snippet code. So once we are here in our email campaigns in Pipedrive, what we can do is start a new one. So I'll just click on email campaign right there. I'll select everything that I'll need to of course fill out here, and let me actually put a subject as dynamic videos. Okay, so that's all that we need to do right now, and we'll go ahead and create a new template, a new email. And once we are here in the builder, so what we need to do is to, of course, you'll need to put your own title. You can just put whatever you want. I'm just title block, title here. I'll leave that. I'll put also blocking content. I can put also a paragraph. You can put there some of the merge tags, and note that you can of course connect first name, email, and you can also use organization. So the name right there. Okay, we'll just leave it like that. And if we go back to content, we can now drop the HTML block. So this is the one that we need. Let me put it right there. There we go. So this is the one that we need so we can paste our video. So we'll just select everything here, delete it, and go Command V or Control V, depending on what computer you have. So that's what we're doing is actually pasting the placeholder for the video. Okay, so this is of course just the basic one. This will be replaced once you send out the video. Okay, so I'll just click on Save and Close. And the other part or the other step that is very important for you to follow is that, of course, we need to select the recipients that we're sending these videos to. Okay, so when you create your dynamic video campaign, you have previously and probably uploaded a CSV file if you are working with a lot of leads. And once you finish this process right here, you'll need to download the CSV file again. So if you're working with 1,000 people, with 1,000 leads, it's possible, of course, that some of the websites did not work because they didn't respond in time or they were down at that time. So it's important for you to always download the CSV file so we can filter any errors coming from those websites. Okay, so once you download the CSV file, you can go here again, and I'll recommend to do this every single time you are creating a new campaign so you can, of course, avoid any issues. Okay, so let me close this. Go here to contacts and click there. So as you can see, I have already uploaded my contacts right there, but I can click here so I can show you how it's done. You can click on import data. We'll upload a spreadsheet. Yeah, and I'll use this one right here. It might tell me that I have, well, this lead's already uploaded, but I wanted to show you this mapping section. Okay, so first name, that's what we have. So if you don't have this, like, well, just like it's showing right now, you can just go ahead and put here. So first name is the one that you need right there, or the one that you want when it comes to the merge tags inside of the email, in the body of the email. So email needs to be email, of course. Company name for that little logo that belongs to the organization, right? So everything is done. You can just go ahead and complete this procedure. I will, of course, suggest that you do it every single time for every campaign so you don't make any mistakes there and no one gets something wrong. So that being said, we can go back to our campaign. So mine is ready. We have it right here, and we'll of course select the list that I have filtered for this campaign specifically. Okay, so you can select on send immediately. So just for the sake of this tutorial, I have already sent my email previously, as you can see right here in my campaign. So I have it right here just a few hours ago. So here's my email, and this is how it will look like. Okay, you can of course work out the layout of how you want the email to look like, but this is the one that I made. I just put it here, the merge tags and also my video. So as you can see, you won't see it right here. You won't see it right here because this is just the preview. But once you get it, it will actually be fulfilled correctly. Okay, so that's all that we need to know right now. Let me know, please, if you have any questions. Have a great day.